All right, if your fuel injector or coil harnesses are in bad shape like mine are, and this is how you replace them without having to worry about soldering or crimping or anything like that. You'll need one of these, and also having a headlamp helps a lot. So then you pull the yellow tab out and the seal around it as well. There are the tabs right there. That's one right there for that one, and here's the other one. So essentially use the tool to kind of pull it down like so. Like that. That should release it, and just pull. Looks like it's almost out. There we go. This one is still on there. So now I should be able to pull it up. There's one and there's the other. So I'm not gonna use this since the wires on mine are fine. So all I'm really replacing is the clip. So what I'm paying attention to is how the other ones were, which essentially the Ford logo was facing up towards me, and I kept the orientation the same throughout the process, so that way I don't get confused. So once you line it up with the Ford logo towards you, it'll clip in place, and then the seal will naturally fall in place, and then the yellow tab just goes right in there, and you just press it in, and then all you have left to do is to put the rubber seal around it, and then you can use the back of the tool to kind of get it in place so you don't damage it. Now you do that for all 8 and you're good to go.